Namaskar. Today our group is going to present the SST Winter Holiday Homework group presentation. So our group members are Aishman, Avni, Bhavya, who is sub-leader, Chahat, who she is absent, Daksh Chaudhary means I am the leader, Daksh Jain, Diya Jain and Diya Sharma. So first we will start with the presentation and it's the chance of Ayushman.
Namaskar. My name is Ayushman Bhabruch. I am going to tell you about location and about tropical evergreen forest. First, I will tell you about location of tropical evergreen forest. The location of tropical evergreen forest is near equator and close to the tropics. Then I will tell you about tropical evergreen forest. They are also called tropical rainforest. These regions are hot and receive heavy rainfall throughout the year. Third point, the trees do not shed their leaves altogether. Example, hardwood, rosewood, ebony, rubber, etc. Thank you.
Now it's the chance for Avni.
Okay. Namaskar everyone. Today I, Avni Bhatnagar, is going to tell you about wildlife and vegetation and plants of tropical evergreen forest. Plants found in these regions are ebony, rosewood, rubber, mahogany, etc. So these are the picture. The first picture is of ebony and the second is of rosewood. Wildlife found in these regions are monkey, elephant, pythons, hippos, crocodiles, anacondas, and flying squirrel. Here is the picture of hippos, elephants, and flying squirrel.
Now it's the chance of Bhavish Srivastava. Having network issues, so I am only telling about his topic. So its topic is location and about temperate evergreen forest. So the temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continents. Example in the southeast of USA, China, South China, and southeast of Brazil. Now it's the turn for Chahat and she is absent, so I am only going to tell about her topic. Her topic is wildlife and the vegetation and the plants of the temperate evergreen forest. So they comprise both hard and softwood trees like oak, pine, eucalyptus, etc. Now it's my chance only. So my topic is wildlife and vegetation and plants of tropical deciduous forest. The hardwood trees found in these forests are sal, teak, neem, and sesame. Hardwood trees are extremely useful for making furniture, transport, and constructional materials. Tigers, lions, elephants, langurs, and monkeys are the common animals of these regions. Now it's the chance for Daksh Jain. He has submitted the PPT, but he is absent. He is not in the meeting, so I am only going to tell about his topic. So his topic is location and about the tropical deciduous forest. So the tropical deciduous forest are the monsoon forest found in the large part of India, northern Australia, and in Central America. These regions experience seasonal changes. Trees shed their leaves in dry season to conserve water. Now it's the chance of Diya Jain.
Namaskar, my name is Diya Jain. Today my topic is location and about the temperate deciduous forest. They shed their leaves in a dry season and the temperate deciduous forests are found towards high latitudes. These are found in northern eastern part of the USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and also found in coastal region of Western Europe.
Now it's the chance of Diya Sharma.
Namaskar everyone. Today I, Diya Sharma, is going to speak on the topic wildlife, vegetation and plants of temperate deciduous forests. The trees found here are oak, ash, beech, etc. Deer, foxes and wolves are commonly found animals here, and the birds like pheasants and monals are also found here.
Now I am going to tell about some helpful tips. The first tip is natural vegetation means it's the plants that grow naturally without human interference. The second tip is natural vegetation are of three types: forest, grasslands, and shrubs. The third and last tip is factor affecting natural vegetations are land, soil, temperature,